Hey everybody, it's Wendy. Welcome. Today I have an adorable Santa gift bag for you. I'm using these fantastic products from Stampin' Up. So there's the Candy Cane Season Bundle, this cute little muslin bag that comes in a pack of 8 or 10, I can't remember which. And we're going to do some stamping. I'm going to use Poppy Parade and Granny Apple Green ink and some Granny Apple cardstock and designer series paper from Signs of Santa. But what I really want to do right now while I stamp is tell you this story because I think you're going to get a kick out of it. So as you know, if you follow me, we have been doing some house remodeling. And one of the things that we've been doing is adding a deck to our house. And it is a wraparound deck all the way from back to front, front to back. And it is beautiful. It is actually in the process of being stained now and getting ready for its big reveal. And so the other day, my husband went to the dump, and God bless him. I love the man more than the earth itself. I just love him to death. But he goes to the dump, and I'm so excited because we're purging, we're getting rid of stuff, we're trying to make room for things. Stuff's getting moved out of this house. And he comes home, and he has 4 dining room chairs. And y'all, these dining room chairs are like from the 80s. They're that old oak orangey color. Now, if you have those in your house because you bought them during that time, there's nothing wrong with that. Absolutely not. But that's really not what's on trend now. So he goes to the dump to get rid of stuff and sees them at the dump and says, "These are great. They're in great condition. We should use them on our new deck." And he brings them home. Lord, people, help me. So he brings them home and he thinks that we should put them on our deck and that we should use these. And we decided, no, that's not going to happen. These are the things I deal with. What is in his head? I don't know. Okay, I have a piece of Granny Apple Green cardstock here. It's cut at 4x2. And then I punched the top of it with that awesome scallop topper punch. And then I'm inking up with Granny Apple Green ink and stamping this adorable little sentiment, "'Tis the sweet season." And then I punched that candy cane out of the designer series paper that is candy cane striped. I have no idea why I had the urge to tell you that story, but I just did. I had to tell somebody, so now you know. Also, I wanted to tell you, if you are watching this and you want to get my 12 weeks of Christmas exclusive videos, you need to subscribe to my emails. There is a link below this video to do that. There's also links below this video to purchase any of the products that you see here if you want them. And there's a link to my blog post so that all the dimensions and information is also written out for you there as well. I'm just taking this linen thread that I tied around earlier and tying the tag on and tying this in a bow. Now I have an idea for these little bags. I know exactly who I'm giving them to. I'm making quite a few of these, but I can't tell you yet because if any of them watch my video, then they're going to know. So it's a secret, basically. So anyway, I thought these were adorable, so super simple to make, fun to stamp on, and you should totally purchase some and make some. You could make them for your friends, coworkers, kids' class, anything goes. Please shop with me at shoploveandstampin.com and click on either one of these videos to watch them, and you can click on the circle with my face in it to subscribe. Thanks so much for tuning in today, and make sure you subscribe to my emails to get those exclusive 12-week videos.